Hey YouTube, this is Nikki with Nikki Smacks. How you guys doing today? Today I got me a bacon western cheeseburger because I was craving one. So I'm about to dig in. I got some barbecue sauce that I had from McDonald's the other day. This sauce is so good. So, I'm about to dig in. And they put enough they put all the bacon to hang off, so I'm gonna tear it off and put it back here. I got a pack of mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise on my burgers. So what's up everyone, this is Nikki with Nikki Smacks, and coming to you I got a Western bacon cheeseburger. And I'm going to put some of this on it. Oh, this is so good. This is going to be good. Mixing some of this McDonald's with this Carl's Jr. But don't tell them that. Yeah. That's going to be delicious. Okay, they just threw my little burger together. They didn't put it neat or nothing. I just threw it on there. See, I gotta fix it. Yes. Look at that. All that bacon right there. It's so good. I need a little bit more. I hate dry burgers. I really do. I do not like dry burgers. I like my burgers sloppy. Got me an orange crush with it. Got my favorite glass. I know I'm looking like plain Jane today, but I don't care at all. Take me how I am. Turn my burger this way for y'all. It's so good. I dropped a little piece of bread in my juice. Oh well. Got it. It's so good. I'm gonna add some more barbecue sauce. I don't know why they make bacon western cheeseburgers and barely put any barbecue sauce on here. Come on, y'all. Come on, Carl's Jr. Y'all gotta get it together. Everything all crooked on here. See, I like my stuff neat. just threw the cheese on all that. Dang. Mmm. That's better. Mmm. I think this is the best thing on the menu. A bacon Western cheeseburger. Mmm. Whew. Mmm. 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 It's so good. See, it tastes just right with that barbecue sauce on it because they didn't put enough on here. So I had to put some McDonald's barbecue sauce on it. Thank you, Carl's Jr. Next time, tell them when you guys making a bacon Western cheeseburger, y'all gotta put some sauce on it. Don't have it all dry. Hard to go down your throat. Mmm. 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 So good. Mmm. I said I was gonna stop eating fast food for a minute. I'm not healthy. But I was craving this today. Even though I do these little mukbangs, I still be trying to watch my figure. Mmm. 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 It's almost doing this smacking. Mmm. Whew. Mmm. 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 That's so good. Mmm. No, it's hungry. Mmm. See, when I do these videos, I don't eat. So so I can be hungry for y'all, so I can eat it all. And I'm really not a big eater. I don't eat a lot. So when I do these videos, I try not to eat nothing, so I can eat it all. Believe it or not, I lost 65 pounds. I used to be big, so I'm not trying to get my weight back. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mmm. That was so freaking good. If you ain't never tasted a bacon western cheeseburger, I suggest y'all go get one. But tell them to make it right, because this place I went to, because the one across the street from my house was closed. But the one I drove like 10 minutes to go to, it was dry. But it was still good once I hooked it up. You know, you gotta doctor yourself stuff up. Excuse me. But anywho, I hope y'all like this. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Nikki with Nikki Smacks. And give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it. I don't mind. Anyway, I'm not trying to talk because I got stuff in my braces, so I gotta go brush my teeth, you know. Anywho, I will see you guys on the next video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys next time. I am out. This is Nikki once again with Nikki Smacks, and I will see you next time. Bye, you guys. Excuse me. Deuces.